Inaasahang matutugunan na ang problema sa job mismatch sa bansa matapos lagdaan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos bilang batas ang Republic Act 12063 o ito po yung Enterprise-Based Education and Training. EBET Framework Act. Ayon sa Pangulo, matutugunan ng bagong batas ang issue sa kakulangan ng formal training at skill mismatch at titiyakin dito na ang bawat Pinoy ay magiging bahagi at makikinabang sa pagunlad ng bansa. Ang nasabing batas din anya magbibigay sa mga Pilipino ng makabuluhang training upang makasabay sa pangangailangan ng iba't ibang industriya. So yun. Inaasahan ng Pangulo na ang batas ay magpapalakas na partnership sa private sector dahil sila magsasabi kung ano ang mga training na kailangan ng sa kanilang mga industriya.
At its heart, the EBET Framework Act aims to provide Filipino workers with accessible and relevant skills training, bridging the capabilities of individuals with the demands of industry. By opening pathways to professional growth, employment opportunities, and entrepreneurship, we are answering the call for quality employment and fostering a globally competitive workforce. Through this act, we will harness private sector partnerships to align our training programs with real-world industry needs. The private sector will play a crucial role in ensuring that our workforce is properly equipped with the right skills to meet the demands of the industry.
Iyon si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. So ito